Hello, my name is Amos Tarfa, and in this video I want to share briefly about the school that we're starting here in the United States in 2022. Our hope and prayer is that this school will then become a prototype and a model that other schools can use around the country, but also that we can help start more of these schools around the country. This is a STEM academy, and right now the name I'm using, but this might vary over time, is Fargo's Inspirational STEM Academy. The goal is to eventually see this again in Minnesota, in Wisconsin, and beyond. But the goal of the Fargo Inspirational STEM Academy is to inspire students to be lifelong learners, to be people of character, to be people of integrity. We don't just want to give them information, we want them to live lives that make sense. And so this is basically like the church coming in and doing what it used to do with hospitals back in the day. So imagine where the hospitals were built by a certain church or a certain denomination, and they would help, maybe like the Methodist Hospital, for example, in Texas, right? Giving an example there. What we want to do now is we're saying that the body of Christ needs to step up and do something about the state of education in America. The state of education in America is a very sad thing, very sad in many ways. I'm not just talking about what is being taught in some American classrooms. I'm also talking about the quality of, for example, their math standards. How are students doing in math? How are students doing in science? How are students doing as being people of integrity and character, people who are serving and want to serve others? Like, how are we doing on all these? I know there's always going to be work, but our school is focused on, again, we want to see a new generation of Isaac Newtons, a new generation of Leonard Eulers and Frederick Gauss. Let's inspire these kids not to be lazy, not to sit around, not to think that they're incapable. And I'm not saying everybody's doing that in their schools. What I'm saying is, let us make these things the norm. No matter where you've come from, no matter what your background, let us work hard to help you be the best you can be for the glory of God, to apply yourself, to be a lifelong learner, to be diligent, to find out when you're young, 10, 11, 12, what direction are you going? And let's help you go there. Because the current model, the current status that we have in this country is not working. We have too many young people without direction, without vision. We need people to have vision and direction, and that's what our school hopes to do. We hope to bring that to all cities that we are able by the grace of God. So please, if you would like to support this work, please send me an email at amostarfa1@gmail.com. If you want to support us, the link to donate is available in the description, as well as a P.O. box. Please feel free to support the work we're doing as we inspire the next generation of learners and the next generation of leaders. Thank you for your time. I will provide more details on these on the school. I just wanted to make a video and let you know that we are starting, and we're seeking your support. If you want to support the work that we're doing, we will have our website. We do have a website right now, fulllifeacademy.org, that houses some of the information. But again, that's an old website, but it has the information that you can look at to get an idea of some of what we'll be doing at our school. Please feel free to reach out if you have any questions, and this channel will have more of those videos, so feel free to subscribe if you want to hear more about education and how to give your child the best education possible. Take care and have a wonderful day.